I want to start a business, but I have no ideas and I have nowhere to start. I hear this all the time. It has never been easier to start a business, ever. It is so easy now to start a business, and here are my tips for starting a business. First of all, if you have no ideas on what products to sell, the first step, I think, is to create a list of all of the products that you love. What are products that you love and you use? And what are areas of your life that you love? So for instance, I love scrapbooking. I love doing junk journaling. I love exercise and fitness. I love food. There's so many categories of things that I like. And if you start making these lists, you'll start seeing items that perhaps you want to start selling. Now, the next step is to take this list and go to Pinterest and start typing things in. Pinterest is my favorite platform for generating ideas. So type in fitness, type in scrapbooking, type in some of your favorite things that you love and would love to sell products in that category. And just go to Pinterest and start scrolling and start getting ideas and start creating boards. And your creativity will start flowing and you will start getting ideas in no time. The other tool that I love to use is I do love to go to Etsy and use the EverBee tool. And this is a paid tool, so I have left a link below if you would like to use my link. It is an affiliate link. I get a very small commission if you use that link. But EverBee is the one tool that I use daily. I love it because you can go to Etsy and you can find out what products are selling. You can see exactly if there's a demand for that product, how much they're making, how much they're selling it for, all of the information, how well the shop is doing, what other products they sell that are complementary. It is just a great way to start getting ideas going for what kind of products you can sell, what kind of business you can start. Make sure when you're doing all of this research that you are creating lists. Make sure that you are writing down the product names, how much they're selling for. Make sure you write down as much information as you can and keep track of this. And give it a few days to let this information set in. You don't need to rush into picking a product. This can be a process that takes 1, 2, 3 weeks, a month. It doesn't matter how long it takes, but you need to do the proper research and really think about what kind of product you want to sell, what kind of business you want to start, what you have time for. All of these factors kind of play in. And that's a way that you can be really intentional about starting a business. And I've started many businesses without this much intention, and you can do it that way too. But if you're really struggling, this will help you to really hone in on a product that you want to sell, what that product can sell for, what the price points are. And then once you have all of this information, you can start sourcing this product. You can go to Alibaba and you can see how much this product is going to cost to get manufactured and shipped. You can see if the product that you want to sell can be manufactured easily, how hard it is to manufacture, what the minimums are. It's a step-by-step process and it's definitely doable. I have done it so many times. And if you need help, I do have a course. It's linked below. It's how to pick your product, how to source your product, how to price it on Fair. It's all in the course below. I even have a profit calculator if you would like to figure out what kind of profit you will make if you sell your product on Fair. So if you have any questions, please leave them below for me. I love responding to those. And I hope this video was helpful and good luck on your journey of creating your product.